In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix CIBC Error Code 0001 on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is give a fresh restart to your device. Restarting the device refreshes system services and network connections, which often fixes temporary login bugs. Recent iOS updates have also caused network and app-related issues for some iPhone users. Next, make sure both your iPhone and CIBC app are fully updated. Launch App Store, search for the app CIBC. Once app appears, click on it. If you see the option update, click on it. Likewise, launch settings. Go to general, click on software update. If any updates are available, just do it. CIBC officially recommends using the latest version of iOS and the latest app version for proper compatibility. Next, you can completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it, as reinstalling clears corrupted app data and cached login files that may trigger error. Several users have reported that reinstalling the app solved similar login and notification related issues. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa and temporarily disable any VPN or private relay services because secure banking apps may block certain network configurations. If the error still appears, reset your network settings by going to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings and complete the process. After following these steps, reopen the CIBC app and try signing in again. In most cases, error should be gone. So that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.